Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the perfect dimple for your necktie. Okay, so we'll have a closer look at it right before I do the last step, where I'm going to feed the big end through the loop. So I'm going to feed it all the way through without tightening it. And here is where I want to start doing my dimple. I'm going to build it up just by pinching the two sides of the material together, and I'm going to pull on the knot and tighten it while I'm holding my dimple. Now, this might not be perfect when you do it, and you can adjust it, but here's how you get that perfect dimple. Once you got it up to your neck snug, now my dimple doesn't look perfect just yet. All I have to do is make sure I got that pinch together, and I can twist the knot one way, twist the knot the other way, and I'm going to have that perfect dimple. There we go. Perfect dimple. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.